Can you explain your dream?
You guys was here. My mom, you, my dad was there. I'm here, right here where we were sitting. Over there, I was there.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this map. Okay, so the angel was here, right?
Yeah.
He was here.
It was in the other one.
Here.
Mhm.
He was here.
Yeah.
And you were here.
Yeah.
And we were here at the background, right?
Mhm.
So, what did the angel give you?
The angel gave us the paper.
A paper, eh? Okay.
It
What was
like,
on the paper?
there was some words.
Words? Is there any specific letters you remember?
I think I only remember T.
The letter T. She remembers the letter T. Okay. So it was like we were in this room, the living room, right?
Yeah.
The TV was there, the table, the couch, the float bar, that thing, the heater. And then we were here, and this is the table.
Yeah.
So you remember the letter T?
Yeah.
Did the angel say anything else?
No.
So he came, and did he smile?
I think.
Yeah, he smiled. So is there anything else he done?
And then he went back to heaven. That Jesus was looking at him.
So Jesus was looking at the angel right here.
So he.
And then he disappeared. Because
he went back to heaven.
And what happened afterwards?
That's it.
You wake up?
I wake up.
You wake up in bed.
But there was one thing. We were playing with my friends. Before I saw the angels, I went there and I told my friends about it. I don't remember who it was.
Okay, you don't know your friends. So what happened? What happened to the paper?
It was sticked outside our window. It was just left there.
Oh, outside the window. Okay. Was it written in gold?
No, it was like normal.
Like black ink.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Stop.
Okay. So Wincy, was the angel a boy or a girl? What does it look like? It looks like a boy.
Mhm.
So can you tell me what the thing on top of his head?
It was a halo.
A halo. Yeah. So it's normal for angels to have it. And you saw Jesus far away in the clouds.
Yeah.
In the clouds, looking at the angel.
Yeah.
Did he look at you as well?
No.
So he didn't look at you. Did you see Jesus?
Yeah.
From far away?
Yeah. I saw something white over there.
Did the angel go back to Jesus?
Yeah, he went back to heaven with Jesus.
And then you woke up.
Mhm.
Okay.
And then I told Mom.
So you wake up in bed and then you told Mom.
First I go to school and then I told Mom when I go back home. School.
Okay. Okay. Wincy Mang. Haka biyan to pala nakikip ko ma.
Okay.
Okay. So kain naman na
Mhm.
So me angel mo ma.
Yeah.
Okay. Angel mo lang and paper and pe. Paper chung kayo machim.
The halo.
Tell me halo ma. But you man remember.
T.
So letter T English ka na remember. Okay. So angel na mule and then Jesus angel is only na mule far away cloud ka.
White color only the when Jesus is like a tail.
And then Jesus angel so angel Jesus mo in akahoma.
Agatan Jesus in heaven gatan.
And then guide na and nanulang na para kay makakain ka So ang pete agad yung sitang. Paper ha. Amati matpe or like window chunga cha.
Window gacha.
Window chunga cha and then the lakma.
Galako.
Yeah, there's also. Okay.
Kau kata lah bazak bakal tu ate, kaya bakal tu ate.
Here window stick ma.
Ile kamu cete.
In the top. And then first angel didn't move. First angel didn't move.
I wouldn't know awa.
So no like na umsusulan mo ma.
Oh.
So yeah. Kan you know like the coal material the coal you the coal.
Kaya ula. Kafin ka waiting ha. And then Jesus and then angel go mo.
So light tampi uma light. So angel no mo. And then anzal the minute chima.
No, tino.
So paper on bed and then anzal.
Then kato.
Okay. Happy smile ma.
I think.
Okay, and then Jesus azole akalhoy.
Jesus said he will kato.
Anki ka white color ma.
Yes.
Anki white color and wing and ma. Wing.
Yeah.
Okay. Anki ka didn't see like a tattoo your Roma.
I'm dressed in it umiha dress here and white color here.
So drop it in like a chimney.
And then Jesus got that her paper to the yakolo tea only gamula. And then go friend the ratana go fete and go chimpiakla. Go friend homesick Taylor.
Smart.
It's me only gamuko.
And fuck me, he must go ma. He must okay, he must go lama like white color anki. Togas. What to anki ma? And loma?
I think we have to go like everything white today.
Yeah, everything white. So everything white and then hit him with anki. Okay. Galom. The chim room ma? No. Boy na that's it.
Ang boy pa ni nampat ni in mang ka na se asumpa na sa boy pa kanilom to